Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to make a conversation. Lesson 1. Searching for a job. Situation. Alice is looking for a job. She asks her friend, Nancy, for advice.
Nancy, what is the best way to find a job? The want ads in the newspaper are probably the best source to find job. I have been checking the want ads every day for a week. But I have not found anything that I am qualified for. Try the internet. You can use a search engine to find job sites related to your field. Great idea, thanks. I think I shall look for a position in sales. I have just seen a job opening in sales at a company called Sun Tech. It can be just the sort of thing you are looking for. Really? Oh yes. But the deadline is this afternoon. I had better get online quickly and see if I can submit my resume by email. Have you updated your resume? It should mention your experience. Do not worry, it is all set. Thanks. Welcome. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to make a conversation. Lesson 2. Applying for a job. Situation. Alice is at Sun Tech, a large electronics company, applying for a job. She is talking to Diana, the receptionist.
On telephone, okay, Mr. John. We shall talk in detail later on. Bye. Good morning. I saw your advertisement on the internet for a salesperson. I would like to apply for the job. Okay. Then, please fill in this application form. Use either blue or black ink and write in the capital letters. Okay. I have my resume with me. I shall attach it to your application form. Have a seat, please. Excuse me, madam, may I ask you a question? Yes, why not? What should I write over here if I do not have any awards or professional experience to list? Just leave that part blank. Okay, I think I have filled in everything correctly. When should I expect to hear from you? We will call you for an interview after reviewing your resume. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to make a conversation. Lesson 3. Preparing for an interview. Situation. Alice is getting ready for a job interview at Sun Tech. She is asking her friend, Nancy, for some advice.
Nancy, do you have any tip for a successful interview? Well, first of all, you need to dress up yourself professionally. Okay, what precautions should I take during the interview? Please ensure that you make good eye contact and answer all the questions politely and positively. But I am not sure what kind of questions they will ask. They will probably want to know a little bit about your work experience as well as something about your character. What kind of questions should I ask them? You should ask them about the job requirements and a few details about the company. Should I ask them about salary, working hours and vacation? No, do not initiate any talk related to salary unless they bring it up. You are right. If they are interested in availing of my services, there will be plenty of chances to talk about it later. You are absolutely right. The more interested they are, the more they shall offer. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to make a conversation. Lesson 4. During an interview talking about oneself. Situation. Here, Alice is being interviewed for a job at Sun Tech. She is talking with Mr. Allen, the personal manager.
Tell me a little about yourself. Originally, I am from Los Angeles. Who brought you to New York? I came to New York to attend the school as well as the college classes. I got attached to this place so much that I decided to stay here and find work. What work experience do you have? I worked as an assistant for a small newspaper. My primary responsibilities were to sell newspaper advertisements to business houses. What did that experience teach you? I really enjoy sales and I want to pursue a career in sales and marketing. How would your former employer describe you? He told me that my sales skills were an asset to the company. He also thanked me for my loyalty. You seem quite mature for your age. I see from your resume that you are a goal-oriented person. Thank you. I believe I have learned these things from my parents. They are my role models. However, I know I have a lot to learn. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.
Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to make a conversation. Lesson 5. During an interview talking about the job situation. Alice is being interviewed for a job at Sun Tech. She is asking Alan some questions about the job.
Can you tell me a bit about the job responsibilities? As a saleswoman for our company, you will be required to find new customers and take care of our existing customers. What will be the office hours? Our office hours are from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Monday to Friday. What about the salary? The salary for sales is $500 a month. Okay. May I also ask what benefits you offer? We have paid holidays, a retirement plan and bonuses if you meet sales targets. That is nice. We also allow a 1-week paid vacation in the first year. We allow this facility to the employee's entire family. It is an excellent thing. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.